Welcome back sa ating pong YouTube channel na Kanoli Vlog. Here we go. Kami po ay pupunta at makikilamon. Yan, kasama natin dalawang anak. Say hi to my vlog, Chelsea. Oh, hi. Oh, hi. Say hi, Ate Angel, to my vlog.
Hi.
Oh my God.
Hoy.
Sabi mo, subscribe sa akin, dali.
Like, subscribe.
Dali.
You say it.
Ayan, naglaro pa yung dalawa. Kung sinong unang sa harap. Kung sino pala. Ayaw akong tabihan. Nagdadyak and poy pa yung dalawa dahil kung sinong uupo sa unahan. Gusto nila sa likod. Ayaw pa. Grabe, ayaw akong tabihan ng aking mga anak sa unahan. Go. Ayan na, alis na kami. Makiki-birthday kami. Say something.
Like, subscribe
What like?
the video.
Okay, do it again. Say it again.
Like, subscribe, and comment on this video.
Oh my. Gutom ka na, hindi ka pa kumakain. Kasi yung boses mo nanlalambot.
Like, subscribe.
Oh my.
No.
Halata na po na nagugutom na yung sakay ko. Yung boses niya nanlalambot. Kung ikaw, Chelsea, anong tatanungin? Anong gusto mo? Mainit o malamig?
Init.
Mainit? Di, gusto mo sa Pilipinas? Gusto mo doon ka na lang sa Pilipinas mag-stay? Oo. Tapos dito si ate, si mami, si daddy? Gusto mo doon? Ah, okay.
No, with mommy and daddy.
form on our website, playrock.com/rockblock, to complete an hour of your favourite songs. If you could allow to choose music for a month, I still couldn't do that. Not just an hour. It's a random selection, in my opinion, of some of the greatest bands ever, and there are so many more. But even if you play some of these, it'll make me happy in the meantime, and I'll be listening to the best radio station, Planet Rock in the UK, to hear my choices. So that's Jerry W, Jerry Westcombe in Buckingham. More of Jerry's choices on the way, and if you want to get yours on full information on how you can do that soon.
Happy birthday kay 4. Ayan, oh, meron pang pares.
Ayan, kuya.
Ayan.
Paris ako, saka fried rice.
Ito na, yung pares ni Diwata, dinala na dito sa London. Ayan, oh.
Hi, Kelsey. Kelsey.
Open na ng isang branch si Diwata dito sa London. What? Naku, nalobat ako.
Dapat ganyan, may charger niya, kuya.
Ang sagot pa, oh. Ano ito, may halo-halo? Wow. Hipon. Kettle.
Look at me. Okay. Where's your mom? Where's your mom? Ready? Hawakan mo yung tape mo eh. Ate Mel. Ate Mel! Halika, mag-blow kami ng cake. Ay, ng candle. Sorry. Masunog yung Wow! Look! Gianna is giving you something. Wow! Thank you, Gianna. Say thank you, Ta.
Give the papa first, and I will put the watch.
Thank you.
That's when you give this.
Ayaw niya nga.
Yeah, teach Jasmine.
Ah, ito na ang chicken joy ni Diwata. Saan ka pa?
Okay. Let's go. It's eating time.
But can you blow it?
Eating time.
Oh.
Diwata, chicken.
Can I get hard again? I wanna.
Guys, ito na yun. Mga idol, ito na yung masarap na chicken ni Diwata. Nakarating na ng London ang chicken ni Diwata. The best.
Yummy.
Ayan na yung Paris, oh.
Sir, may kulay.
Ano?
Yeah, I like it. Can you teach me?
Sarap.
Doon na lang.
Okay.
Okay, ready.
Ready.
Ba't ka sa? Umiiyak siya din naman